What's happening, y'all? It's Josh from Drive the Coast. Hope everybody's having a Merry Christmas. We got a beautiful Christmas present for somebody out there today. It's a 1967 Ford Bronco. This one just came out of Texas. Absolutely beautiful truck. I'm gonna do a little quick walk around video here. It's got brand new tires on it. Still got the fuzzies. It's got beautiful paint front to back. Looks like brand new fender flares. I'm not seeing any bubbles on it, on the doors or the quarters or anywhere. You can see a nice reflection in the paint. A little bit of flake in it. Gives it that super clean, sparkly look, but not at all too much. Got a beautiful tire rack, not finished obviously. Needs to be finished with the tire carrier. The rack is obviously there. Trailer hitch in the back. Does have 4 seats. Back seat's definitely way more comfortable than the original seat. Same with these. Does have a working stereo. Dash is in excellent condition. Tachometer works, speedometer works. B&M shifter, twin stick transfer case. Nerf bars on the side, bikini top, windows roll up and down like they should, has power steering, power disc brakes, as well as a tilt wheel, new bumpers in the front, should I say modified bumpers. Now it runs off electric fuel pump, runs and drives excellent. Just drove it over here a few miles from the shop. She's great. Gauges is clear. They honestly look brand new. Shows 419 miles. Anyway, y'all, somebody looking for a super clean 67 Bronco or early Bronco, it's hard to beat this one. Brand new exhaust. It's got a brand new C4 transmission. It was literally just installed. Floors is in nice shape, no holes. We do have financing available with 10% down and a 660 credit score. Also have nationwide shipping if you need that. Ignition, aluminum radiator. Anyway, y'all, this is Josh signing off. Please let me know how I can earn your business. Thanks so much.